Here it is, the Nikon Z9. The flagship of all flagship is here. I'm really excited about this camera here. But first let's fix this audio. I'm using the internal audio, so let's fix that. Alright, much better. Now I have a little microphone on here, so you can hear me a little bit better. So this is the new Nikon Z9. Actually it's not the newest camera, the newest camera is the Z8 actually. But it's quite similar with the settings. It have both the Z8 and Z9 camera. So as I said, this is my first flagship camera, so I'm really excited. I'm really been looking forward to receive this camera here, especially because it can shoot in 8K and it can also shoot in 4K, 10-bit, internal and everything. So that's definitely something I'm going to use here forward. And also that is also why I'm filming this YouTube video in 4K 60 frames per second, because I just think it just looks a little bit more sharp and just look a little bit better. I'm really excited. I can't really get my smile off. Also when I unpacked this camera yesterday, I was just smiling all over my face. I'm really happy. But I'm really looking forward to use this camera here, and so yeah, really looking forward to it. So yeah, so as you can see, the camera is a little bit bigger than a normal camera. Without the battery grip here, the battery grip is part of the camera, so I can take that off. It has a quite huge battery here on the side, so it could, or it can last quite long actually. But let's put a lens on this beast here. A 14 to 24 millimeter 2.8S lens from Nikon. That was a little bit better because I want to actually try to vlog with this camera here, even though I know it's really heavy. But let's see how that goes. So I'm switching over to this. Alright, so I'm now filming with the Nikon Z9 and with the 14 to 24 2.8S lens. So how does that look? I think it looks pretty cool. Right now I'm filming in 4K 60 frames, and I'm just shooting in a normal H.265 10-bit. This can shoot in RAW all the way up to 8K. Alright, I have now switched over to the 24 to 70 millimeter with ND and also 1/4 of a mist filter, Pro Mist filter. So I will just go down and take some photos and videos with this one. It is so fun because this camera doesn't have a shutter. There's not a little mirror that goes up and down, and that's also why it is a mirrorless camera. But for example, on the camera I'm filming with right now, there is a shutter that can go up and down, so you get this click noise. And from this, you don't have that. So the sound you hear is just coming from the camera. It's just a little audio clip. You can actually choose between 5 kinds of audio clicks you want to have. So that's quite fun. I'm choosing the Type A, I think it's called, because that just sounds like a normal clicker, sort of. Oh, wow. Just so nice to be outside. Yeah, and especially in a forest, the smells and all that. Ah, it's so good. Yeah, really nice. And also the light is really quite nice right now. The sun is over there, but there's still kind of a cloud or fog or something, so it's like a big soft box for all of this. Really nice light right now. Alright, so that was my little video here of the Nikon Z9 camera. It wasn't really like an unboxing video or something like that. It was just a little video of showing this camera and what it can do, especially here on the video side of this camera here. because I'm really going to enjoy this 4K 60, and I'm also going to use this 8K video here in the future. But I don't have a software right now that actually can handle these 8K videos, but I will get that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments or something like that, just write it down here and I will get to it. So see you in the next video. Bye.